We have 1 kilo of lamb belly cut into cubes. Going to marinate that with a teaspoon of garlic, teaspoon of ginger, sprinkle of salt, about say 2 teaspoons of mild curry powder, half a teaspoon of MSG, tablespoon of cooking oil, tablespoon of fish sauce. Mix well. Rest for 15 minutes. 3 tablespoons of oil into a medium heat pan. About 20 grams of butter. In with 2 Spanish onions, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Garlic. Slowly simmer that. Around 2 tablespoons of light curry powder. Keep stirring for about 3 minutes to brown off the onion. Two large finely chopped tomatoes. You need to slowly cook this down to a paste. Alright, I think at this point now we can put in the rest of the lamb. Right, now we can season it with salt, MSG, black pepper, fish sauce. Keep stirring, and chili flakes to taste. Add in half a cup of water. Lid on, simmer for about 60 minutes until the lamb is nice and soft. Remember to check back every 15 to 20 minutes and give it a stir. Okay, it's been just over an hour and I've checked it about 3 times. I think the lamb is nice and soft now. At this stage here we're going to add in the eggplant. Leave it on low heat and simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes until the eggplant is soft. Okay, this is taking a little bit longer than we expected. It's been just over 20 minutes. We want the eggplants to be translucent like so. And I think that is now done. Flat rice noodles, like so. With spring onion in here, squeeze a bit lemon, and a few slices of Thai chili. Mix it up well and serve. I hope you get an opportunity to cook this heartwarming dish for your family.